Hello and welcome to my review of the AirPods Pro 2, or the second generation. So, first off, I have been testing these out for a few days now, and I gotta say I am quite impressed with these. First off, I feel like when you just the fit in the ears, they're stuck there. They are fitting in perfectly in the ear. Like when you shake, like they aren't going out. As long as you have a good silicone ear tip that fits the ear well, you get a few different sizes. These are just stuck in the ear, they won't fall out. And I feel like that is somewhat of a worry for me when it comes to AirPods, especially since they are quite expensive. But they are stuck there when you are running, when you are just shaking your head, like they're not going to fall out. So that's a really good feature there. And when it comes to like the usability with the onboard controls, I guess you can call it, when you squeeze it to pause a song, you double squeeze it to skip the song, and you swipe up and down for the volume. And these features are very neat. I haven't tested it out yet, but when you're taking phone calls, I guess you press once, squeeze it once to answer the call, and you squeeze it twice, double squeeze, to decline the call. And these are actually very convenient, especially the volume. I always have to take out my phone and change the volume. Now we can just do it here. And you get a response, you get a small like sound when you change the volume, so it changes up one and down one. And also when you get to the maximum volume, it will make a sound that you can't change the volume anymore. And when you come down to the bottom, you also tells you can't get any further than this. So it's a very, very neat feature there as well. And then we get to the audio quality, which I would call it. I would say it sounds very good, but I would say compared to other silicone ear tips, it isn't that big of an upgrade. It's not like the world is gonna change, but it is better, definitely. The bass is really good, so I feel like there are improvements there. And then we get to the features of noise cancellation and transparency mode. And I would say, maybe it's just me, but when I use noise cancellation and transparency mode, I feel like my ears, they don't like it. I think it may be placebo, that I feel like they're doing something to my to my ear, but they are working just fine. The noise cancellation, it's really good. Of course, it's not completely cancelling out everything. You still hear things around you, but it's good. It still cancels out better than just having the manual cancelling of the ear tips. And the transparency mode, it is also really good. You kind of forget that you have the AirPods on, but also there I feel like it's not just transparent, it also enhances the sound around you. It's like not having AirPods and then just everything gets louder around you. Or not louder, but everything is clearer. And then we get to the battery life. It's good. I think you get 6 hours of battery life, 5 hours with noise cancellation. So I have no complaints there at all. And the case also has a great battery. And also then we get to the case. It is upgraded. It has some speakers, and actually when you are putting the AirPods in the case and closing it, it will make a small sound, and that's good, I guess. And also if you lose it, you can play a sound and it will play a very loud sound. Then it also gets improved Find My features as well. Like you can go into Find My phone or Find My app and then navigate to the AirPods, and then you can follow with the phone where the AirPods are. And that is very good, because it's a really small case and you can lose it quite easily. Yes, and then we get to the spatial audio, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know what it does. I have turned it on, turned it off. I don't really hear a difference. I think with the head tracking, when you are watching a movie, then you want to get that the movie's in front of you and you get the surround sound basically. But other than that, spatial audio, I don't really know what it does. It's some kind of surround sound system. I guess I'm not complaining, I'm not saying it's bad, but I don't really see the feature or the use of it. But I mean, it's good when you watch movies, so. And then we get to the big question, is the AirPods Pro 2 worth the money? I would say if you really care about getting the best features, then yes. But I would say there are cheaper options out there, which basically you get the same quality and maybe not the same compatibility with the iPhone, but it is basically as good. Okay then, that was it for me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.